In front of this famous Delhi University college, dozens of students are protesting against a management decision, a ban on eating meat in the campus hostel. For the past year, meat has been banned both in the college canteen and the hostel. The administration says their decision was based on a college survey, revealing that 90% of the students are vegetarian, a result refuted by this student union.
अगर हंसराज कॉलेज पीयू के अंदर आता है, अपने आप को पब्लिक इंस्टीट्यूशन कहता है, क्यों कहता है? क्यों कहता है अगर वो पब्लिक को अकोमोडेट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं? इंडिया का मेजॉरिटी नॉन वेजिटेरियन है, हमारे ऊपर वेजिटेरियनिज्म क्यों थोपना है इन लोग को?
The police arrested at least 15 protesting students. Our request for a response from the management went unanswered. Across the country, measures targeting meat consumption have amplified since Prime Minister Narendra Modi was elected in 2014. From the closure of meat shops to increasing the jail term for cow slaughtering, Hindu extremists lead this wave of national vegetarianism. Just outside Delhi, in the commercial city of Gurgaon, Mohammad Idris has been a butcher for over 2 decades. For a year now, he has been forced to close his shop every Tuesday. The reason? Tuesdays are considered sacred in Hinduism. The government of Haryana, ruled by Modi's party, the BJP, banned the sale of meat on this day of the week.
Once, I opened on a Tuesday. They came and took away around 20 items, and we had to pay a fine of €6 for every tool. They left after giving an ultimatum that if they see the shop open on a Tuesday again, they will close us down. They also said that they will cancel our license.
No work on Tuesdays means losing €150. That's 1/4 of his monthly income. For him, this ban mainly stigmatizes his community.
Most of the butchers are Muslims. We are the ones who run slaughterhouses. If they close down our businesses, then clearly it's an attack on us.
This fixation on non-vegetarian food is part of the Hindu fundamentalist discourse. Meat consumption is viewed in opposition to the Indian identity. 20 kilometers away from Idris's store, a group of young men is preparing for a mission in the middle of the night. Monu Manesar is the leader of the group called Gau Rakshaks, or cow protectors. Twice a week, Monu and his men stop and search vehicles they suspect are transporting cows on this highway.
We have got the information from our informant that today a 10-wheeler truck full of cows will be coming. The Muslims take the cows to Mewat and slaughter them.
This type of patrolling is not legal, but authorities turn a blind eye to it. Gau Rakshaks are heavily armed brigades that have exploded in number since 2014, with over 10,000 of them across India. These cow defenders have their eye on a particular community.
We have caught 2,000 to 3,000 people who were butchers and used to kill cows and sell their meat. Most people caught were Muslim. We have to protect cows. It is linked to our religion. It is important to become a cow protector, and I think everyone should become one. Because if the cows are saved, then the country and our religion will be saved.
Monu does not hide the often violent nature of his actions, posting them on social media. He can be seen with his weapons and also alongside police and members of the ruling party. A few weeks after our shoot, Monu and other Gau Rakshaks were accused of kidnapping and killing 2 Muslims that they claim were involved in cow trafficking. Their bodies were found charred to death in a vehicle. Since then, calls to arrest Monu Manesar have multiplied in the village where Nasir and Junaid, the 2 victims, were from.
Monu Manesar
Monu Manesar. He belongs to an organization of young fundamentalist Hindus. It's an organization created by the BJP. And from the time that the BJP created it, the killings have been one after another. Now, I genuinely feel scared to live in India because of the way my brothers have been killed. I feel like I will be murdered if I leave my house and hacked to death, just like Umar Mohammed and Rakbar.
So far, the police have identified 8 suspects, but Monu Manesar is not in this list. He continues to claim his innocence. According to a 2019 Human Rights Watch report, at least 44 people have been killed by Gau Rakshaks since 2015. 36 of them were Muslims.